Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log in to RBC Royal Bank online banking. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you're going to simply type in RBC, login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying RBC Royal Bank Secure Sign In. Once you're here, you must enter your client or card. Once you're here, you must enter your client card or username, hit next, and follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to log into your account. If you have not created your online banking account, simply tap on Enroll in Online Banking, down, and then select if you want to enroll yourself or your business. For now, I'm going to be tapping on myself, hit Enroll Now. If you have a Royal Bank card, hit Yes or else hit No. Here you'll have to enter your client card number or your credit card number along with your postal code, hit Continue, and then follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to create your account on RBC. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.